So you need to have a developer involved within your SEO strategy for 2021. If you do not, you're going to see that you're going to fall short in terms of where you're ranking amongst your competitors. What we're seeing now in 2021, and Google just introduced this core web vitals to Search Console about a few months ago, and kind of gave us a little bit of insight into what they're going to be looking at in terms of their ranking factors in their algorithm. They're going to be looking at site speed as it pertains to user experience, right? Because they look at poor site speed, no mobile responsive, poor user experience. And Google's essentially, they're in the business of doing one thing and one thing only, and that is providing the best, most relevant content and user experience based on a search query, right? So if your site does not have fast load times, if it's not mobile responsive, right, it's going to be very difficult for you to rank organically on Google, because these are things now that are taking a little bit more weight away from just your traditional, keyword, word count, meta titles, meta descriptions, things that, again, like you said, the fundamental old school type of SEO mindset, which is still going to be important. However, now you need to focus on user experience. So what this means is technology, the platform that you're on, your development team, or developer that you're working with, is essentially now part of your overall marketing strategy. You need to have developers involved, because a marketer is not going to know how to go in and from a technical standpoint, identify some of the things that are weighing your site down and implement those fixes and implement those changes. And same thing goes for creating a mobile optimized site. So you need to have a developer involved within your SEO strategy for 2021. If you do not, you're going to see that you're going to fall short in terms of where you're ranking amongst your competitors.